Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today the iPhone selfie camera and how to flip existing images so that they're the right way round. Select the photo that you want from your photo album. You can see this photo is a mirror image, the writing's all incorrect. Then select edit in the top right hand corner, then select this icon at the bottom. Then select this flip horizontal icon in the top left hand corner. That then flips the picture horizontally, then click on done in the bottom right hand corner. And that photo is now the right way round. There is a way to stop the iPhone selfie camera taking mirror images, and there's a permanent fix for that in the link above. And I'll also put a link in the description and the pinned comments. In the top right there's a link on how to sort your notes alphabetically, that's really useful. And in the top left, how to have a full screen photo of the person who's calling you when they're calling you on your iPhone. And in the bottom left, how to disable live photos on your iPhone permanently. I hope that was useful.